Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can solve TikTok account warning problem. At first go to TikTok, then click on your profile, then click on the three lines here and then go to settings and privacy. After that scroll down until you see report a problem. Then click on account and profile. Then click on profile page and scroll down until it says other. Now click on need more help. A page like this will appear where you have to type, "Hey TikTok, I was given a warning but I didn't know about such rules, but now I'm aware of it and I won't repeat it again. Please remove the warning," and then say my username is, suppose your username is 1234 cool man, and then just press on submit, and after 24 hours they will review your account and the warning problem will automatically be gone. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.